Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Jacob Canales back at it with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to make 50K a month with this product. And honestly, 50K a month is actually just a little bit, like it's honestly a product that can make 300K a month. I know some of you guys are going to be like, oh, why aren't you selling this then? Like all that stuff. And basically like this channel, the point of this channel is I want to provide value to you. Like I could pretty much sell anything on dropshipping. So like I want to be able to help the people more beginner like to actually be able to sell products and make money. Because it's good to see the community grow. And then one of my mentors actually told me, if you want to make $1 million, help 1 million people and you'll be a millionaire. So if I could just help, let's say like 1 million people like make even $1, then like it just looks good for me and it helps me out a lot. And just as a human being, like I like seeing others succeed. But before I hop into the video, for those of you guys who don't know, I just released my course. And I know a lot of people have been asking this for a long time. We spent a long time on this course, I think like 6 to 8 months, something like that. Brought in 3 professionals to teach different subjects, so that way we pretty much have masters in each subject all throughout dropshipping. So it's the perfect like A through Z course. And for the next 10 people who buy, I'm gonna be giving them a free strategy call. Usually I charge about like $150, $200 for those. So basically if you buy it, I'm gonna hop on the phone with you and basically just explain some strategies that we could use, like find products for you and help you like either build a store, help you choose what marketing strategy you want to use, all that good stuff. But yeah, so that will be in the description below, but let's just hop right into the video so I can show you guys how. All right, so the other day I was just scrolling down on Instagram and I follow Roadstar. If you guys don't know, Roadstar is probably one of the biggest pages on Instagram, and they did this post and I was like, like somebody's doing a shout out for their e-commerce store, for their Shopify dropshipping store. So I looked at it and then I read the description, I looked through, and a lot of people really wanted it. So then I went to their shop right here and I saw, okay, they had 22.8K. When I first saw this page, they were actually at like a lot less followers. And I was like, okay, like it seems that they have to be making pretty good money off this product if they're running it on Roadstar. Well, basically the person who's running the store, like if he happens to watch this video, I actually found his account because he actually went and commented under like one of the comments. Like somebody was like, is this a scam or something like that? He actually commented like, no, I just got mine, like it's perfect. And I was like, like I feel like this is like his store. Like I had a feeling, right? And so what I did is I clicked on his account and I saw that like he was posting results from Shopify. Like he was showing his results from that day that he ran that ad. He was making like 3 to 5K a day or something like that. And so like I kind of just like kept on following him because I was like, I'm kind of like, I want to know how much he's making. And he actually just the other day posted a screenshot from this month. I'll put it on here. He's made 50K in the past month with this product just on Instagram influencers. I've seen it on Roadstar twice and I've seen it on a couple other pages a couple times. So I was like, oh, okay, this is like a perfect YouTube video. Like I know a lot of people, like if you guys remember the moon lamps, I feel like this is kind of like the moon lamps. And I know people who are making 100K a month off moon lamps. And the thing that this guy's really messing up about is he's only doing Instagram influencers. So for those of you who's good at Facebook or even Google, you guys could take this product to Facebook and Google and make a lot more money. Like what you guys could do is the Instagram Facebook strategy, a lot of people know, is do some Instagram influencers, get about 100 orders on your pixel, then just start making lookalike audiences and then target on Facebook, and you're gonna be making a shit ton of money off this. Because if he's making 50K a month off just influencers, if you know how to do influencers on Facebook, this is an easy 200K a month product. And even though I'm making this video, I might even sell this product myself just to make some extra money. But I want to give you guys the first opportunity. So basically, like, that's what he's messing up at. Is I know he has tons of orders, probably doesn't have 7,500, but he definitely has over 100, and he should be making lookalikes for Facebook and using that because he's missing out on a lot of money. But to make 50K in 1 month just off influencers with this product is pretty insane. So you guys could be able to just go on influencers, maybe even Roadstar, other influencers, mainly more main accounts like meme accounts and stuff like that with like 400, 300K followers, and just pay them to shout out this product. And like I guarantee you it's selling if you get it in front of the right people. and then just do it. Run some Instagram influencer shout outs, build up your Facebook pixel, and then run it on Facebook and just scale the hell out of it, and then you guys will make a killing on this. So basically, like, this is just this is kind of a shorter video, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, this product is making 50K a month, so there's no reason why you guys can't get out and sell this product. So make sure you guys try this product out. Like, if you're stuck trying a product out, or if you haven't dropshipped yet, I just gave you a free product. And I'll put the screenshot up. I'll put it again. Like, it's made 50K this month, so I know it's selling. But yeah, like, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment down below something you learned, and subscribe to the channel to help support. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hold up, take a moment, count my guap, all these racks.